the summer of smiles event. We're here to ask life's biggest question: what makes you smile? Whether it's gaming, sewing, music, or doing chores, we're very much here to find out.
What makes you smile? Seeing other people smile.
So, what makes you smile?
My friends and family.
Nice.
What makes you smile?
Making stuff.
Making stuff. Are you quite a creative person? Hello. What makes you smile?
Hey, children. I like it when the children come to play. And hand sanitizer. By the look of it, I've quite like that being there as well.
What makes you smile, Mamadou?
My sister.
Your sister?
So, what makes you smile?
The smiles.
Yeah.
Just kind of, for me, like small gestures. Like we were just talking about, like just waving at like random people or smiling at other people, like in town and stuff.
Yeah.
So just the kind of small things that you notice in your day.
What makes you smile?
What makes me smile is just my friends because, well, they're really important to me and they just cheer me up.